Morning to you all. Myself, Dr. G.K. Saha, Associate Professor, Department of Economics, Shapatgam College, welcomes you with the topic Environmental Threats and Sustainability. The subject matter may kindly be as follows. The first part connotes to introductory part covering rationale of the topic, major issues, objectives, and methodology. The introductory part based on the idea that environment is created by God but disturbed by human beings. Our foremost teacher is the environment. Each day we come to know wonderful facts about environments. Environment has been a source of inspiration for philosophers, writers, poets, and even common man. Major issues concerning different ways, mainly the population growth and environmental qualities. There is a long history of study and debate about the interaction between population growth and the environment. According to British thinker Malthus, for example, a growing population exerts pressures on agricultural land, causing environmental degradation, and this environmental 251 degradation ultimately reduces agricultural yields and food availability, causes famines and diseases and also death, thereby reducing the rate of population growth. The next I am coming to the objective and methodological part. The main objective is to develop awareness of environmental problems and nurture a critical overview of development to discover what they can do as citizens to solve environmental stress. And the last one, to highlight the evaluation of environmental impact. And about the methodological part, the entire work is entirely based on the secondary sources, narrative, and the other published sources from internets, newspapers, and other books material. Now I am coming to the discussion part. It will cover the populations and its type as well as its causes, some unexpected outcome, and also the global warming. So the different type of populations may be noted as follows. Say for instance, water pollutions, air pollutions, noise pollutions, solid waste pollutions, land or soil pollutions, and the different and so on. So the causes relating to this type of pollutions, as you have already known, so I will not discuss all these things in details in this subject because you have already known it, and the causes relating to all these populations may be summed up as population growth and pollutions, deforestation, land degradation, greenhouse effects, hazards of chemical abuse, greenhouse effects, loss of biodiversity, global warming, urbanizations and industrialization, solid and hazardous waste, food grain mismanagement, ocean acidification, natural degradations, and so on. So now I am coming to the specific outcome of the global warming, which is the burning topic of today, which causes the rise in temperature, rise in water level, floods and natural disaster, and the overpopulation tractions. So now I am coming to the third part of my subject matter, which relates to our status, that means where we are now, and its remedial measures. Next part, the recommendations, that is what is needed and what we can do, and the last but not the, that means concluding part, that means our task. So from these foregoing discussions, some unexpected outcome may be noted as follows, that is the impact of human health, loss of biodiversity, ozone layer depletions, economic impact, and global warming. So now I am coming to our status, that means where we are now. The environmental issues are of the vital importance, but people have little knowledge about it. Today, the necessity of the environmental awareness and enforcement is more demanding and urgent. Environmental consciousness deserves to be propagated at all levels. So, in view of these matters, certain remedial measures to be noted, that which is based on the principle of reduce, refuse and recycle. Next one, green transportations. Next one, green marketing, that is relating to the eco-marketing. And the next one is green housing, green banking, afforestation, solid waste management, rainwater harvesting, secondary treatment by biological process, and the last one, that is cleaning the air by natural and artificial method. So now I am coming to our recommendation, that means what is needed. This is our commitment and dedication towards the first understanding the problems in hand and towards protection, preservation and conservation of environment, which follows and giving the result of a better tomorrow is possible if we become serious towards environment. And the concluding remarks follows that there is a need to create consciousness of the environments among the all sections of people, including the child. And the second one is, it is necessary to emphasize that problems of environmental degradations can be tackled only by concerted efforts of government, individual, student, along with non-governmental organizations, NGOs, with the missions of pollution-free world. And in these matters, the action research, case studies, project work relating to environmental issues and threat strongly needed and the need of the hour. To implement these, government and international organizations and communities must work together at all levels to lessen the risk associated with environmental degradations and its contributing factors. So hence it is clear that the current environmental pollutions and its sustainability depends on the different regulations which pave the way to get rid of these problems. That means several measures like National Forest Policy in 1988, Policy Statement for Abatement of Pollutions 1992, National Conservation Strategy and Policy Statement and Environment and Development, and the World Climatic, that means variations and different, that means reviews has already been taken by the international agency. So from all these matters, it's my message to all of you that to get rid of all these environmental hazards and pollutions and to have a better environment is not mine, it's not yours, it's ours. So in order to protect the mother nature who nourishes you, last but not the least, I will give you the message and conclude my subject with the slogan that save the environment and save life. Thanking you.